We're talking today about our surprisingly robust little shovel, which you'd ordinarily use in your car camping, but we've brought out in the bush this weekend. It comes with a blade, bottle opener, I guess that's a fish scaler. You can make rude signs to people with this. Phillips screwdriver and a flathead. So the handle comes in 3 pieces, quite short, so it packs up nicely, but it has a neoprene seal. Keep that in there, and extends quite nicely to a handy length. So our blade and our saw slash a little fish knife conveniently fits onto the end of that section of the handle. And when it's not in use, you just tuck it away in there, along with the screwdriver bit that I dropped on the ground. And that, with a rattle, can be turned into our full-length handle. The shovel head can be fitted up like this, so you use it like a trenching tool, or configured like this. There we have it. Very simple, solid little tool with a rattle in case you need being entertained. For scenarios that I can't really imagine, we've got 2 hex holes here for different size hex nuts. If you needed to loosen or tighten something, you know, replacing the head of your engine in Outback Australia. Saw edge, cutting edge, which is quite sharp. Also a little notch here for leveraging beer bottle tops, if you're so inclined, or anything else, like a nail or whatever, out of a piece of timber. But the main purpose is either remove the head of someone or dig holes. So if we're going to channel Ricky Baker, let's have a look at what this thing does. Start with, it cuts things. It digs things, and it backfills even, saws things, graffitis things. Ricky Baker, you're a bugger. Panning things, results not guaranteed. Prepares things, but it doesn't burn things. That wasn't me.